皆さんこんにちは。
Good afternoon.
今日はですね、ピザ作ります。
We are making pizza, homemade pizza.
はい、生地からうちで焼きます。
From the dough we are making.
はい、その工程をお見せいたしますね。
はい。ホームベーカリーで作るんですよね。
はい、
We are going to use a bread maker. It's much, time saving and easy.
簡単に材料を説明してください。
はい。First of all, we need this strong flour or bread flour, and then dried milk, skim milk in Japanese, and sugar, and salt, and then butter, and of course dried yeast, and water. That's the ingredient for the dough. First of all, let's measure flour. Let's see, flour is 280 gram of strong flour or bread flour. In Japanese, kyorikiko. Okay, 280. That is quite a lot. A little much, more than the ordinary bread. 280. That's about it. Okay, that's 280. And put this flour in the bread maker. And then next, this is skim milk in Japanese, but in English, it is dried milk. 1 tablespoon of it. Add in the bread maker. And then next, 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 teaspoon salt. This is going to be added also. And then this amount of a cube of butter is added. Okay. And then water. Water today for this dough, I am going to add 180 cc water. This is very easy. You don't have to worry about anything. Just put all the ingredients for the dough in the bread maker and then set the button mode for the dough and press the button. That is all. So this is the machine. This is a bread maker I bought 1.5 years ago. This is one of my good friend actually. I make bread quite often, and let's set this. Okay, and what I need to do next is measure the yeast and put it in a separate place. A bread maker. 1 teaspoon. Okay, here dried yeast and set the menu for this dough, pizza dough. It has menu button 14. And just press the button of start. I press, and in 45 minutes it will be done. The dough will be fine for pizza. The dough, see, the dough is done. Okay, I'm going to remove this dough onto the flat surface because it is quite sticky. Needs to spread flour. Let's remove it. Very sticky. Oh, I just forgot to turn off. Okay. Today we are making 3 pizza. So I need to cut and divide into 3. And let's make a ball of dough. 1, 2, 3, and we are going to let this, rest for 10 to 15 minutes according to the recipe I usually use. これで寝かせますね。Alright, cover with a wet towel. Like this. Let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, this is after 15 minutes resting. Let's shape the pizza base. So 1, 2, 3. I usually use the plate as a surface. So place one dough here, and then, oops, oh, very sticky. Maybe I need more flour. Let's try it this way. We make some soba noodles. Maybe the movement is something similar to this. 同じですかね、そばの時の伸ばすの。違いますか？
結構違いますね。
A little different? Okay.
全然違います。
全然違いますね。Completely different movement. Okay. Okay, we made 3 pizza base, and then now let's make a hole with 4 this one too. I usually use a fork to make a small, like dot holes. Okay, ready for the topping. For topping, we have all these ingredients: jackal, young dried sardines, and then kinoko. This is 何でしたっけ？何mushroom? Maitake mushrooms, and egg and ham, and of course cheese. Pizza sauce is important too. We like this one. Let's start from pizza sauce. このぐらいですかね。This may be okay? A little more? Oops. こんな感じで。Let's spread the sauce. I spread the sauce on the base. Today we are going to make two different kinds of pizza. One, this is jackal, dried sardine. This is boiled. これ茹でてあるんですよね。Semi-dried boiled young sardines. このくらいでいいですか？ More? Alright. たっぷり? Okay. How about this much?
Okay.
This okay? And mushroom. Maitake mushroom.
Okay.
Is that okay? And cheese. Cheese は美味しいですね。Cheese is always good. My family members, we love it. How about like this? これでいいですか？ This is one kind, and let's go on to the next one. Let's start from ham. Ham でいいですか？ Ham. Mushrooms. hard-boiled egg. Let's place it. And cheese. Is this okay? どうですか？
いいですか？
Right. Now ready for baking. Now let's bake the pizza, homemade pizza. Set the time according to the oven or toaster you have. Today, instead of the oven, we are going to use this toaster. Okay? Before that, let's sprinkle olive oil. こんなもんでいいですか？ Alright. I have to be careful. Careful! I think it should be okay. Set the time to 10 to 15 minutes. Let's wait.
はい、ピザの出来上がりです。
Today we made homemade pizza.
は
生地は家で作りましたよね。
い、はい、じゃこと舞茸のピザね。
はい。The dough we made it with bread maker and two kinds. One is jako, young sardines, and then another kind. もう一つの the other kind. 2種類でしたね。
そう、まあ一応こちらが我が家のおすすめね。
Okay, this is recommending.
一回作ってみてください。
Okay, recommend this. We recommend, so please try.
Thank you.
Thank you.